welcome back to Connectorly's YouTube channel. My name is Laszlo, and today I show you how you can quickly and easily update your data source details in Microsoft Power BI. Connectorly helps customers just like you connect software such as Xero, Microsoft 365, HubSpot, and Datto directly with the Power BI, making your reporting much more simpler. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open your Power BI report in Power BI Desktop, and let's try to change the data source. As a first step, you need to look for the ribbon and search for the Transform Data button, which if you open, you can find the data source settings there. Click on it. And now in the pop-up window, you can choose your data source which you wish to change. Click on Change Source, and here you can change the server name and the database name. In case you have using Connectorly to synchronize your data between the two systems, then it's really easy. You can just go into our portal, and under the settings page, you can find the PostgreSQL details, which you can just copy easily into Power BI Desktop. Once it's done, you just need to click on OK, close the window, apply the changes. It will refresh the data from your new data source. What happens when only the username or the password changed? In that case, you don't need to update the data source. The server name and the database name will be exactly the same, but you need to change your username and password. Let's go to the same place. From Transfer Data on the ribbon, select Data Source Settings. And now, instead of using the Change Source, click on Edit Permissions. Click on the Edit button, and now you can change your username and the password to access your data. Again, if you're using Connectorly, then you just need to copy those two values, the username and the password, from our portal and put it into Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Once it's done, you just save your changes, you just close the windows and refresh your data, and you will see the data set. You're all set. That's all what you need to do. You have successfully updated your data source details in Microsoft Power BI using Connectorly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Also, check out our fantastic products on connectorly.io and start your free 14-day trial today to see how Connectorly can simplify your accounting and reporting tasks. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.